Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez from creatingwithali.com and I'm super excited I have a brand new card class for you to take. So anyway, this one is the Hello Ladybug card class, and as you can see it features the bundle of the same name. It has 6 cards, all different designs, and I just love how it turned out, the colors, and these cute little ladybugs looks amazing. So anyway, the other thing that you need to know is that the way that I designed this class, it's super easy for you to change the sentiments to incorporate any other sentiment you want, like birthdays or thank yous or thinking of you, whatever you want. Especially, I mean, this will be perfect for like the springtime, don't you think? So anyway, so let me just talk about the 2 different options that I have for this class. Now, option 1 is for those of you who want to get the make and take kit to make all the cards. And I'll send the cardstock already cut out. You'll get a half of a pack of the all together designer series paper, which is the one that we use throughout the class. You'll also get a full pack of the Playful Pets trim combo, which is the one that has the red and the twine in black and white. Goes really well with this class. And also you get a full pack of the matte black dots. So anyway, so this option, you also get, like I said, the make and take kit for all the 6 cards, and you also get the PDF with the pictures of the cards, the measurements, so that you know how to cut the designer series paper, and also if you want to recreate, you can make it over and over again. And you'll get also a supply list there and a link to the video tutorials. And that's something that I want to make sure you know. My classes, at least this type of classes, are video tutorials, mainly because I feel like I can give you more tips. You can see exactly how I am making the card, and you can get more information about how to do something. So I feel like I share more value that way. So anyway, so that option is $47 plus $9 shipping. I ship it priority. It's in the flat rate envelopes that are from the USPS, and so they typically arrive around 2, 3, maybe even 4 days after I ship it. So and again, I cannot guarantee because this is the US Postal Service, but they seem to be a little bit consistent on the flat rate envelopes. So anyway, they also have insurance and tracking, so I can see exactly where they are. And so anyway, if you're interested for this option, the option 1, make sure you email me at ali@creatingwithali.com so that I can send you the registration form. By policy, I cannot link it in the video, but if you email me and ask for it, I can send it to you. The other thing that you can do is look into the description of this video, so just go below and you can see where it says join my mailing list, and it says something like bit.ly/stay in contact with Ali. That way you are in my mailing list and you get all the registration forms as well as the reminders to any of the classes, any other promotions I do, and also my weekly inspiration. So that way you are always in the know with what's going on with the classes and Stampin' Up. All right, so that's option 1. Option 2 is for those of you who already have everything. You have the embellishments, you have the dots, you have also the paper, you have the cardstock. You're just ready to go. You want to roll it out. You just want the instructions and make them. And so that option is the tutorial only option, and it's available already at my store at creatingwithali.com/shop. You can get, I want to be putting here in the corner a link to it so that you can go ahead, check it out, purchase the class, and download it right away. Once you purchase the class, you get an email as well as a link to download the class, and it's very easy. If you ever had any issues or questions about it, just let me know. Email me again at ali@creatingwithali, and we can always fix it, because you know sometimes the email goes to junk, or sometimes you get lost in the internet space. So don't worry, always email me and I'll be able to help you out really quick. So anyway, so that's pretty much it. I hope to see you in the class. I'm super excited. Like I said, I feel like these ladybugs looks amazing, and I know you're gonna enjoy making these cards at your own pace and have some fun crafting time. So anyway, so thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.